I wanted to add a fun and casual bracelet to my stack that would keep my Cartier pieces from scratching and rubbing up against each other. And this is what I came up with. It's called the LV Confidential Bracelet in the monogram canvas with monogram engraving on the hardware. What do you guys think? I love how it stacks with the other pieces. The yellow tone hardware is pretty much similar to the gold bracelets and doesn't look out of place. It also keeps the stack from falling on top of each other when I have my hand turned downwards. This piece is probably going to shock you because I've always been against SLGs. But this year I found myself wanting to leave my bag in the car and grabbing something small to run into the store and run back. So I started purchasing more SLGs. I recently purchased a cosmetic pouch in the small size, which is kind of hard to find, and it is extremely overpriced on the second-hand market. But I was persistent with my SA, and she was able to find one for me, so I only paid retail, which in today's Chanel world is almost considered a bargain. It has light gold hardware, and it is in caviar leather. You guys know I love caviar leather because it's very durable. I only have one piece in lambskin, and I really don't think I would repurchase lambskin again. It has a small pocket in the back that could fit a card, although it's a bit of a stretch. Let's do a quick what fits in my cosmetic pouch. A small Jo Malone perfume, a small Chanel hand cream, and maybe your car key. Let's see how it zips up. It actually zips up really nicely. There's no bulging, there's no creasing. It looks amazing and it feels really, really good. But let's be honest, that's not really what I would carry around with me in my cosmetic pouch. Let me show you a realistic what fits in my pouch. Maybe a compact mirror. I'd still have my car key with me. The mirror actually fits really nicely in that back pocket. This is my favorite hand cream and what I really use with me on the daily. Obviously, if I'm using this outside of my bag while I'm running errands, I would have to have a bunch of cards with me. And obviously those would fit very easily inside of the pouch. If you had a flat card holder, that would fit as well, but you guys know I'm not a fan of those, so I don't own any of them to show you. Let's zip it up again, and voila, this is what it looks like. I think this is going to be a great addition to my collection. What do you guys think? HRH collection has some really nice keychains. So I'm using this one to convert my small cosmetic pouch into a wristlet. Even though the hardware doesn't match, the chain is silver and the pouch is light gold. You guys get the idea. So I'm just going to hook one end of the chain onto the zipper pull, and the other end is going to go on to the actual link of the chain. And this is what it looks like. The whole idea is that I can leave my bag in the car and grab this small wristlet or SLG to run my errands, to go into the store and come back out quickly. This next item really surprised me. I did not think I would love it as much as I do. It's a phone pouch, and it can actually double as a wallet as well as a phone pouch. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots on the back. I love how it's well thought out, and the depth of the card slot is just right so that it fits your cards in snug. You can grab them easily, and it doesn't show any of your information. The front has the phone pouch, and my iPhone 11 Pro Max fits in perfectly, with one caveat that I have to use an ultra slim phone case. The inside has 3 card slots, and it fits a variety of things in there. I can put in a mask, some extra cards, my car key or fob that you just saw earlier in the video. Contrary to what you may think, your phone doesn't fall out even if you're holding it upside down. This piece features silver hardware. I prefer the light gold, but if I find a piece that I really love and it's in silver hardware, I won't pass it up. I can still attach the chain to this one as well and convert it into a little wristlet or more of a small clutch that I can just hold in my hand and run errands instead of carrying around my bag. You know what I really like about this cosmetic pouch? Is that if I'm out and about and for some reason I need to take off my jewelry, it fits perfectly in that small back pocket inside of the cosmetic pouch. And it keeps my bracelets or whatever I put in there completely isolated from the rest of the items that I have in my pouch, so they don't get damaged if I don't have the traveling pouch that I got from Cartier with me. As you can see, I picked bracelets that I can remove easily by myself, and I don't need someone else to help me take them off or put them back on. And there you go, they fit perfectly in that back pocket, and I still have plenty of room for the other items that I might need. I honestly think I'm going to like this piece a lot better than my LV mini pochette. But that topic is for a whole nother video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.